Hi, I'm Teagan from Brain Food Studios, and today we're going to be looking for math people. So that's why we're here at Postmaster's Bakery. Let's go inside. Hi, I'm Teagan from Brain Food Studios, and today we're at Postmaster's Bakery. Who are you, and are you a math person?
I'm Eldon, co-owner of the Postmaster's Bakery, and yeah, I think I'm a math person.
So that was a trick question because everybody's a math person. Today we're going to prove it. What do you do at Postmaster's Bakery?
I help develop recipes, adapt recipes, and do some training, and decide what products go on our shelves.
How many loaves of bread do you make every day?
We make about 20 to 30 loaves.
That's a lot of sandwiches.
It sure is.
Can you show us?
I can, but it's a top secret recipe. Will you promise not to tell anyone?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Oh, hi, Bob.
Okay, so let's get the most of it.
Of course we do.
Oh.
Got apple pies and apple flips in the back. Why do you ask? Bob, where are you going, Bob? Stay out of them apples. Bob?
All right, let's make some bread. This is our recipe, but it only makes one loaf, and we need to make 4 loaves. So we're gonna have to multiply these ingredients by 4. So the first ingredient is yeast. And how much do we need?
2 grams.
2 grams. But if we're gonna make 4 loaves, how much yeast would we need?
8 grams.
8 grams, exactly. Okay. We're gonna weigh out our 8 grams.
Why do we use grams and not cups?
Because it's a much more accurate way of measuring. If you're measuring in cups, sometimes there'll be little pockets of air in your ingredient that you won't notice, and then your measurement will be wrong.
I thought there's less pockets of air, but they're really stinky.
Do you want to throw the yeast into our Polish?
It's time for 5-second fun fact.
Polish is something that we ferment overnight, and that's what gives it the sourdough, that sour characteristic.
This has been a 5-second fun fact.
And what does the recipe say for salt?
10 grams.
10 grams. And that's still just 1 loaf, so what would that be for 4 loaves?
40 grams.
Exactly. There you go. Into the Polish. Perfect. So this recipe calls for 130 grams of water, but we need 4 times that amount. How would you multiply 130 by 4? Can you think of an easy way of doing that?
You can multiply 100 first by 4. That would be 400, and then do the sorting.
And then what would 30 by 4 be?
Well, 30 plus 30 would be 60.
Yep.
60 plus another 30 is 90.
Yep.
90 plus another 30 is 120.
So you've got your 120 and the original 400. So what does that make altogether?
520.
520. What's next on the list?
AP flour.
Yeah, AP stands for all-purpose. So this is our all-purpose flour, and it's 160 grams, but times 4. So the way I would do that in my head is by doubling. So instead of trying to multiply by 4, I would double the number twice. So 160 times 2 would be 320. 320 times 2 is 640. That's easier for my brain. And then we need some multigrain flour. This is an easy one. So 100 grams times 4, 400.
What's in that?
What's in this? It's a multigrain flour. So it has seeds and barley and different types of wheat, and it creates more flavor than just all-purpose flour. Can you feel the seeds in there?
Yeah.
Cool.
I think I found one.
You did. That looks like a sunflower seed. Perfect. Our next step is to mix. And we're gonna mix it by hand. I've got gloves on for this. And I'll get it started, and then maybe you can finish off the mixing. Next, we have to let these rise until they're doubled in size. It'll take about an hour.
An hour? What do we do in that time?
Well, it's a good chance to do some quality control.
What does that mean?
It means you get to taste some cookies.
They're good cookies, but I Numero. See what love is.
Chapice mi coûte $2, ce qui fait $20.
That's not right, Numero.
No?
At $2 a cookie, 6 cookies, we're looking at $12.
Vraiment? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Oui, c'est vrai.
Here's 2 cents.
Perfect. I'll get your change then.
Et $5 en retour.
He gets $8 back.
Vraiment?
Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8. There you are, sir.
Je fais parfois des erreurs.
That's okay, Numero.
Au revoir.
Thanks.
Je ne partage pas mon pourboire.
What do you mean we're not splitting our tips? You come back here. Numero. Numero.
Once the dough's risen, we bake it in the oven for 45 minutes at 450 degrees.
Wow, I didn't realize there was so much mass in a bakery. Multiplication, measuring, and a lot more mass too. Thanks for letting us film here.
Not a problem. It was a lot of fun.
And if you live in the St. John's area, make sure to stop by Postmaster's Bakery for some delicious treats. And one more thing, I'm Teagan.
I'm Eldon.
And I'm Jason.
And I'm
a math person. Bob, you better subtract yourself from my apples.